Hello, welcome to our video, how to make money in real estate, part 1. My name is Hector Villatoro. I'm the founder of RV Realty, a leading real estate company in New York. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to make extra money in real estate. But before we get into that, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. Back in 2002, I was working in different jobs, from restaurant to factory to landscaping. And I was struggling. And because I refused to accept that future, I took action and I got my real estate license and I started to work part-time. And that's what we're going to cover today. Many American families, with the economy and inflation so high, they are having tough time making the payments on the monthly basis because the prices have gone too high and the income stayed the same. For that reason, I want to provide you a type of solution in a way that you'll be able to provide for you and your family the same way I did. I heard you. I know how you feel. I've been there. But I can tell you that an example that through real estate, I became a millionaire, helping a lot of people reach their American dream. But as I mentioned to you, I feel that I wanted to provide some avenues in which way you're going to be able to make more money. If you have an extra 20 hours a week and you have the courage to change your destiny for you and your family, stay with me, because I'm going to tell you what I did from $0 to $1 million, what I did to change my life. And I believe this video will help you change your life if you are willing to do what it takes to become independent and wealthy. My first question was, how can I make more money? Because I was basically broke. And a friend of mine told me to get a real estate license. I had no idea what sales were. I never sold anything in my life. I only knew to work for somebody else. And in my mind, I was condemned to do that all my life. So, push forward, I took a week off to take the 75-hour class from the state, from the school, and then I passed the state test. That was the first step that I did. And I recommend that if you have 20 hours, as I say before, you have 20 free hours. Many times we watch TV, we watch football, we go to places that don't produce money. If you have 20 hours a week to start a side job as a real estate agent, let's do it. So first step, you need to go to school to get 75 hours. And believe me, this job can give you more than what you can imagine. Second, you need to take state test. Third, you need to get a sponsoring broker. When somebody say what is sponsored broker, they're gonna ask you, do you have a broker? If you're in New York, if you in New York, you can use me as your broker, a sponsoring broker. You can use my name. Third place, start a plan, and you have to educate yourself. Get a office that provide the basic education. Just so you know, real estate is an independent work. What I mean by that, you're an independent contractor. What I mean by that is that the broker will not tell you what to do. It's going to recommend you what to do, but it's not going to force you what to do. You have to show that you're hungry to do it. Once you have the license, you find or you interview those few brokers. Then once you find a broker, you're going to create a business plan. How many hours are you committed to do this business? If you have less than 20 hours available a week, that includes Saturday and Sunday, this will not be good for you. But you have 20, it's enough to start. But I need to tell you, there are a few things that I learned. One is that you have to dress sharp. Secondly, you have to have a higher level of energy. Third, you have to be comfortable with the uncomfortable. What that means is that you have to be willing to say hello to everyone. Like a politician, you have to say good morning, good afternoon, how are you, how's your family? You need to be approachable. But that is part of the training. Secondly, you have to be consistent. What I mean by that is the broker tells you that you need to take this training, you got to read this book, you need to do it. And also, don't expect to get a lot of money in the first 6 months, because if you expect to make a lot of money in the first 6 months, you're thinking like employee. This is a commission-based only. So that's the third part, which is you need to find a broker. Fourth part, you gotta be trainable. Because if you are trainable, if you are capable of being trained, then you are on the way to do it. The number 4 element is that you need to be patient. What I mean by that is that being patient means that you have to give time to the business, create a list of people that you know, and maybe people you don't know. You ask always for people to send you business. You ask for referrals. So now there's 2 ways to do it. One, you will talk to people and you're going to ask for help. And getting into the business and looking to become and trying to make a little money, extra money for my family, and I need your help. If you know anyone who needs to sell or buy a house, please do. So that is the starting point of how to make money in real estate. See you in the next video. Second part of how to make money in real estate. Thank you for watching. My name is Hector Villatoro. If you have any additional question, feel free to call me and send me over, and I'll be happy to guide you in the process of being successful in the business of real estate. Thank you for watching.